Hey YouTube, I want to get on here and do a Dollar Tree haul. I went to the Dollar Tree this morning to pick up a few things, and so I got a bag full of stuff. They had a ton of new stuff out, but if you want to see what I got, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing, nothing's going to be in order, so I just kind of want to show you what I got. The two things first I'm going to show you are these cute little miniature houses. I mean, what? Look how cute that is. And they had, I'm going to show you in the video, you're going to see the little things. Oh, you know what? You can put a little tea light at the bottom. I didn't even see that. That is so cute. Oh my God. So now I want to go pick all of them up. Okay. So yeah, they have a little hole at the bottom so you can put a little tea light in there, and then all the little windows will glow like as if someone's in the house. So this one I picked up. It's the post office. I had to get this one because my husband does work at the post office, so close to home. Okay, so I picked that up, and then I picked up the little church, the little cathedral church that they had. I thought it was so cute. So I picked those up. They had, those are the only two houses they had. They had I think like 3 or 4 of the little people and like the little like lamp and stuff like that, but I didn't pick those up. I should have, but I'm hoping when I go there this weekend or Monday, that they will still have them, because I do want to pick them up and make like a little town for Christmas for the kids so they can play in it and stuff like that. Okay, so the other Christmas thing that I picked up, I think I only got a few, yeah. Okay, so I picked up also these. They had all the nutcrackers there. This one, I'm not sure. Last year, I picked up like 6 of them. So I'm assuming, I have a feeling I didn't get this one because of the crown, but I went ahead and picked this one up. And that's it for the Christmas stuff. I picked up, my daughter wanted, of course, right? The little kitty cat with the eyes. I have to put it in the sun and let it charge up so the eyes will light up. So I picked that up, and I picked up this face paint kit. I've never seen this there before. My son is in love with the Nightmare Before Christmas, so I figured I could paint his face with the white and then do like the mouth with the black what is this called? The paint, face paint, whatever. Okay, pick that up. And then I picked up, I needed some electrical tape. Again, I finished my project. That video would be coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Picked that up. My daughter wanted this little princess book, so got that for her. And I picked up one of these little notebooks that has the little thing that you can clip it on. It's just, I have a drawer that I put this in that we can write down what we need at the grocery store so we don't forget. I picked up these 2 bandana bibs for my daughter just because she has eczema. And so when she, what is it called? When she drools a lot, it gets wet right here and she breaks out really bad. So I like these because they get really close on her and it doesn't like go down her neck like the with the other bibs, because it has like a gap, and these kind of, you know, it's really tight on her neck. Not super tight, but you know. And so my daughter's birthday is coming up. And like I said, we're doing the Trolls theme, so I ended up picking more of these carnival candies. These are the sour kind. I've never seen these before, but I picked these up because I'm going to be doing her cake, which I will probably post a video on that soon, and I need to figure out what I'm gonna do because her birthday is in less than 3 weeks, I think. Okay, I picked up more squishies. Last time they had all the fruit. This is the only fruit they had, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe the lemon. But so I picked this one up, and then I picked up the unicorn. This one's new, and it smells so good too. It smells so good. So I picked those up. Then I saw, sorry, I'm all over the place here. I saw, what is this? Okay. So I picked up these, they're from Goody. They're the bobby pins. Since my hair is dark, I like these to show sometimes. So, so I got the blonde ones, just because I like to do different designs on the back. And instead of having like a clip or something, I put these bobby pins to like, you know, do like a different sign or whatever. I also found all of the, I'm not sure if you can see that. Let me see if I can put something behind it. Farm Sweet Farm instead of like Home Sweet Home. In the video, you can see all the different ones that they do have, but I picked this one up because it matches my theme in the house. And you guys, okay, so I got my daughter these. She loves the bath, so I picked these little bath time things for her, and they do have the holes at the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue just to cover them up so mildew doesn't grow in them while she's in the bath with them. I picked up this little Santa, they had all the little mailboxes out with all like the cookie boxes as well. So my daughter wanted this one, so picked that up. And then also some more of these. My little one is starting to get the hang of these, so I picked her up one of those. And then I picked up some more nail polish remover. Can never have enough of that. And then in the makeup section, they had all of the new LA Color palette, like the eyeshadow palettes in nude. I can't remember the other ones. But I picked up the nude. In the video, it shows it. This one has all like the nude colors. And I'm not a eyeshadow wearer. But I love these colors for like contouring. So I figured I'd pick that up for contouring. And then they had all their loose eyeshadow. I picked up this one. This one is the Honeysuckle. They had like the pinks and reds and all the different colors. But I like this one because it looks more of like a, what is it called? A highlighter. So I can do it like down my nose. Yeah, so I picked up this one for a highlighter. And then my daughter wanted this. I'm sure I already have this color. This nail polish. It's like a pinkish glitter. Pick that up. And then I wanted to try some of their, I guess I got two of the same one. They have their new City Color collection and their matte lipstick. Oh my God. I picked those up. I got this one that's M12. Oh yeah, here it goes. No, they don't have the colors on them. So this one's M12. It's like a pink, like a bright pink color. And then I got M8. I picked up two of those, I'm sure. Let me see if they have the name on the inside of it. They do, I think. Rouge? I don't know. Now I gotta open the other one. Okay, so I got two of the same in like this red color. And then one which is M5. Oh. So this one actually M5. I'm not sure if you can see that. 5, and that one actually says, I probably won't pick it up because it's, anyways, so that's M5, and it's more of an orange color. So last but not least, I found this pineapple bag. I thought it was so cute. It's gold and the top is black, and it has like the little, I'm not sure if it's a, I don't know what it's called, but super cute. Look at the print on that. It's got like a little detail on there. And then you can like go like this. So you can put all your makeup in there. I got it for my daughter because she likes to carry stuff. But yeah, that's it. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.